Hi everybody, it's Don. I just wanted to give everybody an update on the MSC Seaside because I put out a video the other day just talking about what fellow cruisers have been talking about, some fellow travel agents who have been on the ship have been talking about, and some of the problems, one of the things being the odor throughout the ship and people not liking the food choices on board as well. Came out just a couple days ago from sources with MSC, sent it out to the travel agency saying that they have figured out what the problem is with the odor of the gray water that was on the ship. Apparently it's an air conditioning vent that was mixed in incorrectly during the design. They have discovered a workaround, they've worked on it, and the entire smell in that situation should be completely gone within the next couple days. So that's really good news. And they also put out a memo saying that they are aware of some of the food issues, and it will be making addresses to change some of the items on the ship and address that as well. So they are listening to what people are saying, and they bully on them because they are making the changes they need to correct the issues. It's just too bad that they didn't discover that smell during their sea trials, and a few more people might have had a lot more positive things to say about the Seaside. But right now you can still get some really good prices on board, including some 2-for-1 sales right now that are out there because of all these things that have happened. So if you think they're going to have it solved in the next couple of days, which they say they will, you might want to give the Seaside a try because you can get the cruise at almost half price. So that's just a quick update. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, and don't forget more tips and vlogs about cruising, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time, have a safe and a great vacation.